important. It is the fastest way
To climb down.
Why is it important? When you have evacuations, so there will be two guys, the litter, the stretcher will be in the middle, two guys can come down.
Okay.
There is no other faster method. It is faster than even getting a helicopter there.
Okay.
What we have got around us is called climbing equipment. This is a dynamic rope. It has an inner core and an outer sheath. It expands when you think it expands like a rubber band. We are using certain equipment. This is called a carabiner, a lock carabiner. It has a lock. This is called a descender or figure of eight. Figure of eight.
The reason why you wear gloves, you see this lock, it will pinch. Then you doesn't open. So this is a lock carabiner. This is mainly used for rappelling and climbing, so there is no chance of it failing.
So certain safety things. No stamping on a rope. It's your guard. It's what takes you through climbing safely. Okay. If the outer sheath gets damaged, you can throw that rope out. That's it. So of no use because the inner core will keep oozing out of that tear. Okay. No climbing equipment is ever thrown. Scientifically, every bit of steel, aluminium has a life. When you take a hammer and hammer it, depending on the strength of the thing you're hammering, it takes X number of hammerings for it to break, right? So you don't know how many times it's been thrown for that X to be reached for it to break.
Say he wants to dispose of it, he'll send it to mountaineering companies. They'll take the equipment back, they'll incinerate the equipment. This will be molten, this will be burnt off. Because if I pass it off to you,
Not
you
safe.
don't know anything about it. Actually, these ropes have, each rope has a logbook. How many times they've been used, how many rappels it's gone, even for this carabiner. When I finish the rappelling, just touch it and see.
Hot,
These
right?
are hardly 15 degrees. It gets hot. So
Oh.
at 80-90 degrees, it will be smoking.
Okay, now let me be very clear. What we are doing is just showing you what rappelling is. This is no slope for rappelling. Rappelling you do at a slope like this.
90-degree.
Okay, you go over the side and stay perpendicular to the wall. The wall goes like that, you also remain, this is you, this is the wall. So as the wall goes, you remain perpendicular to the wall. So if I hit a 90-degree wall, this is the way I am. 90 degrees to the rope wall.
Like an L.
Okay. Just pass this around. Just pass it, man, pass it. This is just to tell you the superhuman
So lightweight.
strength needed for this lightweight aluminium.
Oh.
It's tempered aluminium.
Oh.
Lock carabiner.
Okay.
Rappelling is the art of going down a more or less vertical slope. The rope is put through a figure of eight, like what I got.
I'll show you.
Sorry.
You have the rope. Why is it called a figure of eight? Don't think it's a can opener and all that. It's a figure of eight. So it has a big belly, it has a neck, and it has a small belly. It enters from. So you have an open rope. All these, with practice, one person should be 1 friction point, 2 friction point, 3 friction point, 4, 5. Now I can lock it like this. This is a little easier on the shoulders. I can lock it like this. Like this or like this. So what happens, I've locked myself. As with my hand, I'm releasing myself. Again I lock.
Okay, this is called an active rope. This is a main rope. This is a belay rope.
Delay.
Belay.
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 So he can control, say I'm getting tired or I'm carrying a lot of weight. Okay, why is rappelling important? It is the fastest way
To climb down.
to climb down. Why is it important? When you have evacuations. So there'll be two guys, the litter, the stretcher will be in the middle, two guys can come down.
Okay.
There is no other faster method. It is faster than even getting a helicopter there.
Okay. Quickest way to get down. Okay.
But it is the riskiest, and if taken recklessly, it's the most dangerous also.
Oh.
Recently in the malls, they were demonstrating in Gurgaon, 70 feet, they put a 40 feet rope. The rule is the rope has to touch,
The ground.
you drag the rope 10%. So it's 120 feet. I will walk 12 feet away from that 120 feet. So I need 130 to 140 feet rope.
This way is a
You
short.
put a 40 feet rope, it was not touching the end. The instructor jumped off.
30 feet jump.
40 feet jump, 30 feet rope.
Yeah.
So the biggest accident which happens in rappelling is when you have less rope length. Right now, we have adequate rope length.
Oh.
This is a 120 feet rope.
Oh.
The belay rope is about 40 feet. So I will be belayed 40 feet. These are just going into the simple techniques. Now he's also got a figure of eight. He can half my speed.
Hmm.
So he'll show you.
No, I mean it's like when you both have it means both are rappelling at the same time. What is it
He'll
like?
feed the rope.
It
I'm on the live
feed.
rope,
He's
He's
okay.
on the belay rope.
So it needs two persons at any point of time
It
rappelling.
adds to your safety.
Okay. Like a spotter.
He'll control. I'll show you. I'll leave the rope. He'll just lock his rope. I'll not be able to move. I
Oh.
will slide off and fall on my head,
Okay.
but I'll not go beyond his lock.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you all finished, I have done. So last person has to come down. How will say the rope?
There are hitches where you tie it. The last person will come down. Then from bottom you pull the rope. It will unhitch and come down.
That has to be teached.
For that you need proper anchor points.
Anchor point.
Anchor point.
Here you
forget
can't
it.
put a hitch. In mountaineering, when you put the hitch, it is given that the anchors which you are putting into the ice or rock or snow, you are going to abandon the anchor.
Oh, how do you safeguard the ropes? That is what anchor. The last anchor we have to leave it. That is
The rope you'll get.
not no. That has to be teached. Last month.
That is very dangerous. That's why it's not taught.
Right, I want that.
You don't practice it correctly. You put a self-release hitch. You rappel down, and it's not proper. By the time you rappel, you put your weight on the hitch. It will just unhook.
Unhook and you will end yourself.
These are much advanced. These are much advanced stuff. Where you're solo climbing or you're climbing up.
Nahin,
and coming down by yourself.
Ramesh bhai, you went directly to level
You
8.
rope yourself. Much advanced. Talking about 7
Safe
8
for
years.
them, right? I have to save this. Means I need an answer for it.
No, thing is anchorage will be there and then you release the rope and you pick the rope. But yeah.